Emily, Steve, Tim, thank you so much for introducing me here. I want to say first, this place I feel like is very important. Alpha Fit Club, it's this kind of community vibe of help each other, support each other, the whole wolf pack. It's something that's very, very needed and very, very important. And I'm so excited to introduce meditation to you all. It really goes hand in hand too, because really, of course, we meditate. You might have wanted to come here to deal with stress or to get rid of anxiety, lower your anxiety, or get more control of your emotions, or maybe you want to increase your focus or just your mental in general. But really, meditation works the best when we meditate to become a better person, to help make the world become a better place. Then naturally, actually, all those things fall into place. So I wanted to share that with you. You ever heard that laughter is the best medicine? You've heard that, right? So there's actually a lot of research on this. It's so good for us. If you Google it, you'll see there's so much research on actually how laughter actually is medicine, just like all the benefits that it has on here, reducing your stress, reducing muscle tension, and of course, increasing your endorphins. And your body doesn't know the difference whether you're real laughing or fake laughing, but it usually turns into real laughing. So please open your mind, be like a child. All the way in? All the way in? Like that, meditation gives us the ability to see ourselves and see what we can change. And when we change it, it's always better. That's what I want to say. A lot of times we're scared to change. Me personally, I was really scared to let go of the old ways, because it's what's comfortable. But it's always better. It's always better. And really think about it. Really open yourself up. What is one way of thinking or a habit you want to change or let go of this spring? But we're here actually to change. Meditation is not just about temporary relief, but true lasting change. I want you to pick one thing. And it doesn't have to be the biggest thing that feels too scary. Whatever feels right for you. If you have personal questions to ask me, I'm here to help. Whatever, I'll help you whatever questions you have that you might not feel comfortable to ask me now. I'm on any of the socials, and also onlinemeditationevents.com. We even have free classes all the time too on Zoom that you could check out. And also the Lyndhurst Center, Teaneck Center, depending on where you live, we have physical location too. So I really appreciate all of you for being here. Thank you so much, Emily, Steve, Tim, for putting this together again. I hope you got something out of it, and I'm really genuinely wishing you peace.